Hello, my friend. Hope you are well. I'll take your 2 minutes. I will discuss about your website health. I am a SX, I am an SX expert and work as a digital marketer and also work as a freelancer. Today I visit your website and I found some on-page issue. You see, it's very critical, and if you fix your issues, you will get more visibility in Google. So this is your website. Your website security is too much weak because you don't have any SSL. Okay, so you need to fix this problem, and I will show more problem here. Your website essay is too much weak. You don't have any title, any meta description, and your website also have 7 critical error and 5 warning. Your website have no meta description, images have not alt tag. This is not too much important, but this is important. Schema missing and sitemap and Google Analytics are too much important for your website. So if you want more traffic from Google with organic traffic, and you will get also client from here, your business will grow and your website will grow. So you need fix this problem. So if you need any help, I can help you. Please contact with me, and I hope we will discuss more about it. Thank you. Bye.